Ever wondered how to cook the perfect grilled steak at home? The quest begins with understanding the art of grilling. This is more than just tossing a slab of meat onto a hot surface. We'll journey through a step-by-step guide to achieving steak perfection. So, buckle up as you are about to become the steak master of your kitchen. First things first, it's all about choosing the right steak. The perfect grilled steak starts at the butcher's counter. Ribeye, strip, or porterhouse, look for thickness and marbling, those white streaks that promise flavor and juiciness. Remember, a good steak is half the battle won. Next up, the magic of marinating. This step is critical as it enhances the steak's flavor. Picture a simple marinade: olive oil, garlic, rosemary, pepper, and salt. Blend them together, coat your steak, and let it rest. Give it time, let the flavors seep in. Patience is key here. Now to the main event, grilling the steak to perfection. Begin by preheating your grill to high heat. Once sizzling, place the steak on, searing each side. Remember, flipping is key, but don't overcook. A neat trick to test doneness is the thumb test, and voila, you're on your way to a perfectly grilled steak. Finally, it's time to rest, slice, and serve your masterpiece. Letting your steak rest after grilling is crucial. It allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite juicy and flavorful. When slicing, always go against the grain, ensuring tender slices. You could serve this up with a side of grilled veggies or a simple salad. And there you have it, a perfectly grilled steak right in your home. Bon appetit! If you enjoyed this video or thought this was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe also if you want easy recipes. Be sure to click the link in the description or on my channel for an ebook with easy cooking recipes for beginners.